The secretary bird Sagittarius serpentarius is a large, terrestrial bird of prey from Africa, famous for its long legs, distinctive crest of feathers, and unique hunting style of stomping snakes and other prey to death. It spends most of its time on the ground in grasslands and savannas, walking long distances to hunt insects, small mammals, and reptiles, using its powerful kicks to subdue them. This endangered species is recognizable by its stork-like appearance, gray and white plumage, black wing and thigh feathers, and two long tail feathers that extend beyond its feet in flight. Key characteristics: appearance: tall, nearly 4 feet, with long stork-like legs, a gray and white body, black flight feathers, and a crest of black-tipped feathers on its head that look like quill pens. Its bare face is red-orange-yellow. Habitat: Sub-Saharan Africa savannas, grasslands, and shrublands. Diet: primarily hunts on foot, eating insects, small mammals, birds, and snakes, including venomous ones. Hunting: stalks prey and then stomps on it with powerful kicks to stun or kill it. Behavior: mostly solitary but sometimes works in pairs, roosts in trees at night. Can soar high in thermals during the day. Conservation status: endangered due to habitat loss, hunting, and trade. Unique features: secretary name, believed to come from its crest, which resembles the quill pens of 19th century secretaries, though another theory links it to an Arabic phrase meaning hunter bird. Legs: feathered on the upper part, giving the appearance of wearing shorts. Flight: flies when necessary, but is primarily terrestrial, covering up to 20 miles a day on foot.